Hi guys, this is Rara Coco. Quick update with regards to ticker symbol CVNA. CVNA, massive update. So what is going on with Carvana? Let's take a look. So CVNA is been trading now and it's up. Okay, it's up about 14%, $21.78. And this is today. Okay. So last week, Friday was a sell-off. Okay. Friday, it went up, it went kaboom. And now the stock is going back up again. So there is a problem with the short sellers of what they are facing, right? They are facing massive problem right now. Okay. If you look at this stock, all right, this stock right here has a free float of 75 million shares. Take a look at that, 75 million shares. That stock is what is available in the market right now to be traded, okay? That is what is available in the market right now to be traded, okay? So buy and sell in the market. Okay. Now let's take a look at from this amount of free float, how much did the short sellers borrowed, right? How much short sales did the short sellers borrow? So right now it went up to 65%, 66%, which is 49 million shares. 49 million shares was borrowed, okay, by the short sellers, and they have not returned that. When are they going to return it? They are in trouble because the price of Carvana, it keeps on rising. Okay, it keeps on going up from here. So for a month, it's been trading around that price range, $10 to $11, and then it went skyrocket to $24, right? And then sell off, of course, profit takers, and then now is moving up right now, right? At $21.93. It's moving up. So when the price of the stock is moving up, the short sellers are being pressured. It's either are they going to pay all of this 49 million shares, okay? Are they going to be squeezed? Well, if the retail investors continue to hold and not sell, which what is happening right now, the retail investors are buying a lot of the Carvana and they're not selling. Why? It's because Carvana have proven himself that they are very profitable right now. Millions and millions and millions of dollars was announced, okay? Millions and millions of dollars was announced that they got the money and they are very profitable right now, okay? Millions and millions of dollars, okay? So out of 48, out of that 70 something, out of that 74 million, right? Out of that 75 million, okay, 49 million of that has been borrowed and not returned. And take a look at that, all right? Borrowed change. So they returned about 3.13 million. They returned 3.13 million. So it's starting. I think the short sellers are starting to return them, because if they don't return the shares that they borrowed, they're just going to pay millions and millions and billions of dollars with regards to this stock, and they are afraid that they're going to lose that money. Okay, they're afraid they're going to lose that money. So right now it's at 49 million shares, and then one broker has this amount, 100%. One broker has already lent out all of their shares. Okay, all of their shares they already lent out to short the stock, and the cost to borrow right now is 12.88% on the change. Borrowed shares, they're paying 17%, and then return is about 10-18%. These are massive interest rate that they are paying. If they want to close this position, it will take 3 days for that to happen. All right. When they get squeezed, it will take 3 to 4 days for that to happen. Okay. Just wanted to let you know that. All right. Now there is pretty much a big problem here, because it's almost $60 million have been borrowed by the short sellers already. Okay. They already have 16 total million, $60 million. And again, we only have 75 million to be dealt with, to be buy and sold on the market, right? So if you look at this analysis right here, take a look at this quick analysis with regards to Carvana. Okay, so this is Carvana. All right, this is Carvana, and take a look at this information. All right, Carvana has been trading around this area for a longest period of time. All right, and then announced the massive profit. Right, they are very profitable. They announced that, and look at what happened. Kaboom! Right here. Right, it went up. Kaboom! 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 All right. So if you look at the volume, let's take a look at even the volume. Even the volume keeps booming. All right. So this is 175.78 million shares. This is 100 million shares. So the volume of Carvana is rising up. It's because a lot of people are buying the stock, okay, and holding. So if that is the volume, now what is the short interest? Okay, the short interest, that is very important. What we need to know of the float. All right, the short interest of the float is right here. All right, if again, if there's only 75 million shares about borrowed, then how come why this is the confidence interval short interest is 80.56 million? It went over. That's over 100%. 80.56 million, the confidence interval. Okay. And then the other one, the lowest side, is 65.68 million. This is a huge problem. Okay. This is a huge problem for the short sellers. Okay. If we look at the on loan, all right, take a look at this. Over here, it went down and then it skyrocketed. Okay. It's showing 60 million is on loan right now. All right. That's on loan. Free float on loan, the same here. All right. The regular is 60 million. The free float on loan is 80 million. Okay. So there is a massive problem that is happening with the short sellers on this stock. Now, the only way they can get out of this, if the retail investors who's been buying the stock and holding changed their mind and decided not to hold and sell all their shares. So if they do that, then the short sellers will be able to get out of the system again and will continue to short the stock. But if the retail investors continue to hold, buy, hold, and buy, hold of Carvana, the short sellers will be forced to be squeezed, and this stock will go 100, 200, 300, 400, $500 in a very, very, very fast pace. Okay, because there's only 75 million shares right now that is needed to be bought and sold. And at this time, Carvana is not offering any sort of delusion. Okay, I think the Carvana management are pissed off with the short sellers, and they are also aware that their stock is about to be squeezed. Okay, the short sellers are about to be squeezed and will provide a massive generational wealth for everyone and everybody. Okay, guys, if you like this kind of update with regards to ticker symbol Carvana, CVNA, my name is Rara Coco. Thank you very much for watching. May you have, please subscribe, please hit the like button, please hit the notification button. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.